software. So first what we have to do, we have to draw the molecular structure. After that you have to optimize the geometry. So in Gaussian calculations, you have to optimize the geometry. This is the first step. Okay, then you can go for any other calculations or for further studies. So molecular structure, how we can draw using the tools given in this software, I have explained in detail in the previous video. Just you can go through that video. I will share the link of that video in the description box, so it will be helpful for you to draw the molecular structure. So then after drawing the molecular structure, just you have to take that file, and here you have to go to calculation tab, that is Gaussian calculation setup. You have to click on that. Then first you should go to the first tab, that is job. In that there are many options for different studies or calculations. So what you have to do here, we want to optimize the geometry, so you can just go for optimization, or if you want to do the frequency calculation, just select opt plus frequency, then go to the method. In that so this is the molecular structure we are optimizing in vacuum or gas phase, so just it must be in ground state method. And one more thing, here there are three different methods or many different methods are available to optimize the geometry. That is semi-empirical, Hartree-Fock, DFT, and so different methods are mentioned here. So one of the good method the methods to optimize are semi-empirical, Hartree-Fock, DFT. So I will just show you the semi-empirical method, and among Hartree-Fock and DFT, semi-empirical will consume less time, okay, but DFT it may take time. The results are quite accurate. So just we will use one of the method among them, semi-empirical. So PMC6 basis set. So charge must be 0 and it must be singlet spin. Then title you can give as opt plus frequency. Okay. So link these tabs are not necessary for optimization. You can go directly into preview. So whatever the inputs you have given, just it will show you. So then click on edit button, save. So you have to make one folder here so that you can save the optimized geometry. Just I will give the file name opt plus frequency. Okay, open and save it. So after that you have to close this window. Here only it will ask whether you want to run or you can run afterwards. So I will say just yes, so it will start running the calculations. Okay, you can see here it has started the calculation, it is processing. So just you have to wait for the results, so that it will give the log file that is optimized geometry of the molecule. So one more thing, Gaussian will give you three files. One is input file, another one is checkpoint file, and the output file that we call as a log file. So with the log file we can have the different parameters. We can study the different parameters of the molecule, like dipole moment, and also the direction of the dipole moment. It will give Mulliken atomic charges, it will give, and the thermochemistry calculations like entropy, enthalpy values also it will provide. So the first step for any calculation is the geometry optimization. So just we can wait for few seconds. It will give the output file. So then I will show you the parameters that we will get from the log file of the optimized geometry. And so it will depends upon the molecular structure of the molecule. So it may take less or more time. If the structure is bigger, then it may take little bit time. Otherwise, if the structure is small, it will give the results very quickly. Hardly it will take 1 or 2 minutes, so just we can wait for the output file. So this is the molecular structure. And one more thing, the molecule must contain the different atoms like oxygen, nitrogen, sulfur, the atoms that have negative charge. Otherwise we will not get the dipole moment value. So here if we take benzene, it consists of carbon and hydrogen atoms only. So for that the dipole moment will be 0. As I told, dipole moment is what? Separation between positive and negative charges. So the molecule must contains positive and negative charges of the atom, then only we will have the dipole moment. So here we go. The output file is ready, that is log file. It is asking Gaussian job has completed. Do you want to close the Gaussian? You can say just yes. So just you can close. So I will show you the log file of this optimized geometry. Okay, so here that is the log file. So here in summary you can get the value of dipole moment, that is 4.07 dB. Okay, here the method, all the details it will show you. And here we will have the values of enthalpy, entropy and specific heat. Okay, and then we can have the dipole moment vector direction. So direction of the dipole moment vector we can increase or decrease. So this is how we can optimize the geometry and have the required parameters. Okay, and I will show you here only we will get the Mulliken atomic charges. So just you should click the word and find out. So here we have the Mulliken atomic charges. So the number of atoms present in the molecule with respect to their charges. Okay, So this is all about the optimized geometry of the molecule. Using the log file of this optimized geometry, you can go for spectroscopic analysis like UV visible or NMR, IR, Raman. Okay, simultaneously you can also optimize, but for UV first you have to optimize the geometry, then you can go for the excited state geometry study. Okay, so the first thing is required here is optimization. So this is all about the details of geometry optimization. If you find this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching.